Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a DMCA complaint. First, understand that the Digital Millennium Copyright Act protects your original works online. This law empowers copyright holders to request the removal of infringing material. It's crucial to confirm you own the copyright for the content in question, as false claims can result in significant legal repercussions. Next, you need to gather all the necessary details. Clearly identify your copyrighted work, such as a specific image or video. Then, pinpoint the exact location of the infringing material, usually a URL. Ensure you have your complete contact information ready, including your email address and phone number. Finally, prepare any documentation proving your ownership of the original content. Now, it's time to draft your DMCA notice. This formal document must include a statement affirming your good faith belief that the material infringes your copyright. You also need to declare that the information in your notice is accurate. Don't forget to provide your electronic or physical signature. Clearly list the specific infringing material and its precise URL. Finally, submit your DMCA notice to the online service provider's designated agent. Most major platforms have a specific page detailing their DMCA process and agent contact information. Always keep thorough records of your submission, including dates and confirmation numbers. Be aware that the alleged infringer might file a counter-notification, which is part of the standard process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.